as we have to raise the fluoride content. If it is more than, or if it the content is 8 to 20 ppm, again we have to remove that excess fluoride so that it will not damage the bones. So to avoid that, we have to remove that excess fluoride. It should not be more than 1.5 ppm. So the process of reducing the concentration of fluoride from water is known as defluoridation. The following are the methods for the defluoridation. Here are some methods: calcium phosphate method, bone charcoal method, synthetic tricalcium phosphate method, then fluorex, ion exchange, lime. These are the methods of fluoridation. Next is nothing but the problem: numericals on the chlorine demand. Now this is the problem. It is required to supply water to a population of 20,000 people at a per capita demand of 150 liter per day. The disinfectant used for that chlorination is bleaching powder, which contains 30% of available chlorine. Determine how much of bleaching powder is required annually at waterworks. If 0.3 ppm of chlorine dose is required for disinfection. So very first, what is given? Given is nothing but the population is given and the per capita demand is given. Population is 20,000, per capita demand is 150 liter. So it becomes 3 into 10 raised to 6 liters water that we have to treat. The amount of chlorine or chlorine demand is given, that is the 0.3 mg per liter. So 3 into 10 raised to 6, it becomes 0.9 into 10 raised to 6 mg. That means 0.9 kg. This is the dose required per day. Again, to get that chlorine, we have the bleaching powder, and that bleaching powder contains 30% of that chlorine. So it indicates that 1 kg of, here I will write 1 kg of bleaching powder contains 30% of chlorine, means 300 grams of chlorine. So we required 0.9 kg, means we required 900 gram of chlorine. 1 kg gives 300 grams, we require 900, so we require 3 kg of that bleaching powder. So here we can see the calculation shows that we require 3 kg of that bleaching powder. That 3 kg of bleaching powder will give 0.9 kg of that chlorine. So bleaching powder consumed for a period of 1 year, here we can see 3 into 365 kg, that is 1095 kg bleaching powder will be used in a year. This is nothing but the content of chlorine.